Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'du.
Aman.
So guys, now we are here. We're gonna do a mini talks podcast about overseas program. So now this is a school task where we have to make a
Podcast 30
guest
minutes.
in 30 minutes. So let's just start.
So
Now we will talking about our program that we
join.
that we join now. That's a backpacker in 11 country. So
So-
as you can see here, this you read that?
Idea backpacker. Bah.
This backpacker in
This
11
11.
country.
11 country.
This
So
the country there is you can read it.
that's India, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and then Turkey, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, China, Laos, Thailand, Malaysia. So that's the country that we visit around 6 months from now. Yes. So from side first. So from side, how your experience in here and in about we already backpacker
Okay.
already what around what month we backpacker? 3 months,
Around 3 months.
Yes.
Yeah, this the second third of our program is March. Yeah.
Yes.
So this also the third country that we visited. First is India, and second Saudi Arabia, and third this now we are
Egypt.
on Egypt. Yeah,
Yes.
Egypt.
Continue.
Yeah,
continue.
I got some experience. I got some experience from India. Yeah, we begin from India.
Yes. Continue.
Yeah, we just like doing what? Just like doing as usual as
Okay.
students in Indonesia. Yeah.
Study.
Only studying, but this outside of Indonesia.
Yes.
Yeah,
Different is
in
we
different
we-
country.
in
Yeah.
different countries.
So in India, is just studying until 3 weeks. Yeah,
Yes.
3 weeks long.
3 weeks.
Okay, and then we move for doing doing holiday. Yeah,
Holiday.
for around 1 week. We moved to Kashmir. Yes, that's so snow place.
Yes.
Snow,
Cold.
so cold.
Snowy.
Yeah, and we play
So no.
ice skating.
Skating. Oh, snowboarding.
Snowboarding. Sorry.
Ski.
Yeah.
Skiing.
And then after 1 week, we move again to Delhi, and last visit in embassy of Indonesia, embassy of Republic Indonesia.
At New Delhi.
Yeah, of New Delhi. So we got some advice from them, yeah, from Indonesian people, yeah, that's who they work in New Delhi, in Embassy of Indonesia, and then that's last visit that we visit on New Delhi, and then we move to second country is Saudi Arabia. We're going to the airport. And then in Saudi Arabia we come first to Madinah. Yeah, Madinah around 3 weeks.
Yes, around 3 weeks also.
Same like India. And then after 3 weeks, yeah, we just studying same as usual. And then yeah, got new experience. We praying. We do our prayer on Nabawi. Nabawi is mosque.
Yes.
Yeah, and then we do what we come to
Welcome to
grave
grave
of prophet.
Yes, Rauda.
Yeah. Oh yeah, name is Rauda.
Rauda is the gap between the what the name mimbar.
Yeah.
The mimbar.
Yeah, that's usual like khotib
Khotib
give
speech.
speech,
Motivational.
speech, motivational to people. Yeah.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
and then we move after that. We should to leave Madinah and move to Makkah
For doing
for 1 week, and alhamdulillah, Allah call us to doing umrah.
Alhamdulillah.
So after we move
This day.
to Makkah, after we move to Makkah, we suddenly doing umrah after we put our backpack
Yeah.
on hotel. From Madinah, hotel on Madinah. We use our ihram.
Yes, our
Our
ihram
ihram.
at Bir Ali.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's Bir Ali. And then we take mikot.
Yeah.
Terus
Bir Ali is
Mikot.
the further to take mikot.
Mm.
The
And-
the farthest
Yeah.
to take mikot.
And then we doing umrah, and at that time the first fasting, the first Ramadan, the first day of Ramadan,
fasting.
we are not fasting
Because
because
safar.
this
Safar,
uzur,
uzur.
we are musafir, so yeah, people,
Cannot.
so we cannot fasting.
Which kind of fasting?
Yeah.
The condition
can
is
fasting, but we not can fasting.
yeah.
Yeah. And then doing umrah, yeah, just walking around of Ka'bah, yeah, seven times, yeah, 7 times. And then we're going
Yes,
to
seven.
No,
Safa Marwa, we Safa
and
Marwa
then
7 times.
before going to doing sa'i, we should praying first
Yes.
2 rakaat
Yes.
behind
What's the name?
Prophet
Ibrahim
grave.
No, Ibrahim grave.
Ibrahim.
No, yes.
The
no.
steps. I
The
don't know.
steps
I forgot
of
the name.
Ibrahim.
Yes, I forgot the name.
Prophet Ibrahim.
Search in Google.
Okay.
This what
Makom Ibrahim.
No, 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 no. That's the name what?
Makom Ibrahim.
Yeah,
Makom
okay.
Ibrahim.
Something like that.
Yes,
And then we
search in
move
Google.
to sa'i. Yeah, we're doing sa'i, walking around
Safa
from Safa to Marwa.
Yes.
And then we're doing to tahallul.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
No. Before this,
Before this,
just cutting.
More balls.
Yeah, cutting our hair by
No.
scissor.
Yeah, no. Use
And then
this what?
and then what?
Silat.
No,
Before.
Oh yes,
Scissor,
before we cut
scissor,
prank.
we cut, yeah.
Yeah.
Before we thought we just get
And then after
cut
that,
little, but
after we go out from Sa'i place, yeah, we're going to what? Barber.
Yes,
Yeah,
barber for like this.
Yeah, masya Allah. Yeah. So after that,
After that,
we going to our hotel. Yeah, going back for take a rest.
yes.
Take a rest. And then yeah,
Yes. Of course.
we got some problem that we should to move to the new
Different.
hotel. Yeah.
yes.
Move to
The
the next
better
hotel. And bring our backpack to the next hotel.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
And then that's one week we not doing
Anything.
anything.
learning, yeah, we're not learning.
No,
So one week we just praying to Masjidil Masjidil Haram.
Ibadah.
Yeah, Masjidil Haram.
Yes.
Yes.
And yeah, do our task, only do our task.
We
So
do-
our teacher
Us to do
us to do
podcast vlog.
yeah, podcast vlog and our book about Arab Saudi,
Yeah.
Saudi Arabia. And then next to this country is Egypt. Yeah, this is the
Yes.
second country.
Now
And
we
yeah,
Egypt,
ini
Around 2 weeks now.
as you can see
around
here.
2 weeks.
Yes.
This
It is
is
in Egypt.
we are record
In Egypt.
our room.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
Bedroom.
Yes. Bedroom.
Yeah.
Bedroom.
Bedroom. Yeah.
This good.
And
So,
maybe
that's-
only that from me, and maybe Aga
No.
my
So,
friend
what-
because
I have
because my friends
I
got
no.
experience.
I want to ask something.
Oh, what?
What do you think is your personal thoughts?
What do you mean?
Personal
What do you mean, bro?
personal thoughts. It's
Personal.
what do you think about India? From your personally, what do you think?
Your
I
rating.
think
Your not rating,
I
just
think-
personal thing.
India,
What do you think about India?
Scam.
No,
Shit.
Masya Allah, good. I think India, there is no the good side. I mean,
what do you mean?
I mean, in India is good. This before I thought India is only what selling food by using hand, but when I go to India, still there is still there is
like that.
good food, yeah, good,
Good.
yeah.
Yes.
Good
The-
way to cook some
The
food in
hygiene
India.
hygiene food.
Yeah, hygiene food. Yeah, mashallah.
So, what do you think about India, my brother?
Scam.
Why do you think scam?
I got scammed, bro, in India.
Why?
That time I went to Kashmir. That's the place where snow, yeah.
no.
So there is but the thing there is board. Yes, there's board.
Why you don't ski? Then?
No, he gave us price 500. He say
But
500
But
unlimited
he lied.
time, so we can use it unlimited time.
but he lied.
But we get scammed. They just bring us to a place and then go,
Yeah.
and we already pay.
So
Yes.
my thoughts in from what India. So like Said said, I think India is disgusting, of course. But India, what I see from my eyes is a good place, very beautiful.
No.
Yeah, inshallah.
Like
So
But,
no,
yeah.
this is not like. So I see Taj Mahal. It's
just
Beautiful
make,
place.
makes me wow.
Mashallah.
It's a good place. So the Taj Mahal is marble, right?
Yeah.
So it's so majestic, like in the movie.
only Taj
So
Mahal.
we just
No, only Taj Mahal,
So
but
we just take the experience,
So, take the experience.
from the
Yes.
problem and for the benefit.
Yeah. But-
We don't want to
Make any trouble?
yeah. Please don't hate us.
Don't hate
Yeah.
us. So
So all countries
yeah, good.
always have
Bad side.
bad side and
No,
good
no,
side. Yeah.
only India.
Always.
No,
Always. That's true. That's
Yeah.
true.
like India, like
Like
India,
Indonesia too, for
Mecca.
our country also.
Mecca, no, bro.
Mecca, Saudi Arabia. So what? So it's the bridging. So how do you think about Saudi Arabia? Of course. What?
That's
No, Madinah
good
first, Madinah.
place. Yeah, good place. Madinah and Mecca. I mean, why Madinah? Better for living, cause that's the people are not. I mean, how?
Oh yeah.
But the people not.
No, not
the-
disgusting.
Not bad.
no.
Not bad.
What do you mean?
So
Good game.
in Nabawi, if you want to pray,
Oh.
so we still can
Pray.
pray
Pray.
with safety, because
Oh.
I mean in Mecca there is a lot of people, yeah, from all countries, so we got some problem if we want to pray.
Mm.
So we in Mecca always pray in outside, because we are all
We are not
yeah.
get to inside.
not get to inside,
Because
but
it's
in Madinah
crowded.
we got always inside of Nabawi.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
So-
maybe only that Makkah and Madinah.
So from me,
Yes.
what I think about Saudi Arabia, because we from India, that all cheaper, all the food is cheaper. I love India because that all cheap. How you think shawarma is only 50 rupees? 50 rupees is around
10,000.
10,000 rupiah. It's very cheap. when you go to Saudi, you get poor. Like how you eat what the name chicken just to only with fries. It's around 10,
40,000 rupiah.
yeah, 40,000.
Yeah.
Be grateful, India. You are cheap.
Yeah.
So
You are cheap.
so I think India, that's the benefit of go to India. All cheap because it's good. When you go Saudi, of course Saudi is more better place, like how like
What?
many, the place is clean, many tourism that, of course, where how you can be grateful go to Saudi, you see the Kaaba. It's very fascinating, but I think when you go to there, it's not affordable.
Yeah.
I think you go India is good.
Better.
Better the
Better for our money.
better for our money. So what do you think about Saudi?
I think Saudi is so what? So costly,
Costly.
so expensive.
So expensive.
Because many things are so expensive, like yeah, like that.
Like that.
Like
Expensive.
just 2 chicken, it's 10 real. Like that's the cheapest is maybe that there is the price 20, 50, and you see 10 and you think, whoa, this is the cheapest. It's just 10. But then you realize
It's
10
40.
reals is 40,000.
Yeah.
You realize that
Yeah.
nothing is cheap in Saudi.
Yes, nothing cheap.
The cheap is lace and Lipton.
Chips,
Okay.
chips.
No. Then I think Saudi better place, but
Yes.
not better,
Yes.
not affordable.
No. Yeah, yes.
So
Now we
But
go
now
to
in Egypt,
yes.
This
we
better.
good again.
Better than India.
better
Better
than.
than
So
Saudi.
this is
India.
This
This
when
better
you-
not the place. I mean better on the cost. The cost of
the price of
things in
everything.
Egypt. Yeah.
because now
This
we
very cheap.
costing.
Cheaper. Cheapest.
cheaper,
Cheapest.
cheaper,
Cheaper.
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 So
Cheaper than
if
India.
there is a ranking, the last is India, the middle is Egypt, then the
No.
up no
No,
the-
no.
if the
First Egypt.
first Egypt,
First Egypt, second India.
second Saudi, India, Saudi, it's
Oh, why?
it's racing. Racing. So I think in Egypt is like mostly like India, but better. Cause in here,
Why? Why better?
why better? Why better?
Yeah.
In here, no, there is no cow.
Go. Go. Oh. Oh yeah yeah. Oh.
Dog, bro.
But for so many dogs. But in
Dog.
India, the dog is more biteable.
So, before I mean yesterday, I saw you. You got experience to teaching international teaching in Egypt. Can you tell it?
So what I get experience is the last day I go to SIC, Sekolah Indonesia Cairo. Yes, Sekolah Indonesia Cairo or Indonesia Cairo School. It's in near High Asia. High Asia is continent continent in here in Cairo. So in there is so many Indonesian people, of course,
Yeah.
that I teach in 7th grade and 10th grade. 10th grade we teach what the name, Flutter and the basic programming, where we teach it 1 hour. So then we have a meeting with not meeting, like sharing session with the student council in there. The name is, I forgot the name. Check it. So what I get is many person who school in there is a diploma.
Only men.
No, man and woman, Indonesian.
Oh, man and woman.
So Indonesian people who get who abort. No, departed.
All
It's
students Indonesia.
all student Indonesia. That's all diplomat. So I think they are rich.
Why?
Because
Of course.
of course
They are rich.
they are rich. So
Mm.
then the English is good. Because what I heard it's like uh native speaker, no, it's like native speaker, like Jaksel person.
Oh,
Jaksel person.
like yeah.
Their
yeah,
English.
yeah.
Yes, they're English. It's good. But before we go to Malaysia, right? It's Malaysian. But in here is Indonesian all. And what I get is I think they are Muslim.
I think.
I think because they are friends. They are.
Oh,
How to join if
join what
some our viewers want to join
SIC.
school in CIC.
How
How?
your father must go? Your father should work in here.
Shoot here.
Should here.
Oh, just
Shoot here.
like that.
Cause the many people who school in there, the father is working here. Like
Mm.
before we go to embassy of Indonesia in here, right?
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Many they father working there.
Oh.
So
Okay,
Yes.
I
so
think it's
Atar, what do you think about just though you said we have to go to Embassy of Indonesia in Egypt.
yes.
Yeah. What do you think about Embassy of Indonesia in Egypt? What do you got from the people?
From there.
Cause we are long in there, right? The people are sharing session about motivational, some motivation to us.
Like
What do you
Okay,
got?
okay, so I will just tell about my experience. So the time we went to the embassy of Egypt in Egypt, yes,
Yes,
all
of
of us going to there, and then we get into the bus together. Then we bus until there.
Hey.
Continue.
Okay.
Until there, and then in the embassy, we get into the embassy. Embassy. And then we
Continue.
I tried, guys. And then after we going to the embassy, there we enter the
Meeting room.
meeting room, all of us. There we get a tour guide by the college student.
From Al Azhar.
Yes.
Continue.
Al Azhar. They tour guide us, and then we enter to the place, to the meeting room. After that, all of us is sitting in that meeting room. It's like conference.
Yes. Compress a round table in
Yes.
in
Like-
Netherlands.
Yes, like that.
Yeah.
And then there is the
Person from embassy.
person from embassy say that we are the
The head.
second second people who sit in there after get renovation. And then first we waiting there. Here we sit, and then until the people come, the people of embassy, there is about 4 person.
3.
Yes. First there is Sir Lutfi Rauf. That's the man. No.
Vice.
First only 3 person. First there is cameraman. That's
Don't count the camera.
then second there is the person who roast. No. The person who give advice.
Give advice. That's
See?
the vice of the embassy.
Oh, yes.
What can you tell what
Vice
that
president.
guy give
Advice.
advice to
No.
to us?
The secret.
No,
Yeah.
secret.
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 Okay. Okay.
And then there is
So only the end people know.
yes, one
Right,
again.
okay.
I don't know who. And then in the middle there is Mr. Rauf come and say,
Oh, that's
what's
the
your name?
the name is Mr. Rauf.
Oh yes,
The
Mr.
old,
Rauf.
the old.
Yes, the old.
That's the
He
old.
came with
Rauf.
Oh, Rauf.
what?
He gave the motivation.
Yes, and
Very
then
good.
he gave motivation.
I like the person.
Like we young
Young
man, we
young man,
young blood,
Young
we,
No, young blood.
we
Young
must
blood.
do so many lah the advice. And then the last we get sharing apa? We
Wait,
get question session.
question session many.
Yes, so there is from us we asking. There is about 4 question from 4 or 5 question from 4 or 3 student. Yes, there is the question and then they answer it.
Okay,
Okay.
nice.
And then the last they gave us advice again. They gave us motivation. And then after that we go out and then we
Taking a picture, yeah.
Yes,
Taking
taking
picture
picture
together.
together, taking video, and then there is some of us is taking picture in the embassy,
Embassy.
and then some of us is taking picture with the Mr. Rauf,
Mr. Rauf.
and
Very
then
cool
some
person.
of us is
Some
some of them taking picture with me.
there is no one.
There is
Blah
no-
blah blah.
And then we waiting for our bus again because the bus is so long. We go to the road, waiting for the bus. After that, we
Go home.
go home after the bus came.
Okay, that's good. So Said,
That's the experience.
Yes.
My experience
yes,
in
So-
embassy.
so good. So Said, what do you think about Egypt? What do you think? Like how many person Indonesian that you have?
Okay.
What do you think it's
Communication.
not communication, like it's
Connection.
similar with the Indonesian, or what do you experience as an Indonesian person living?
In here.
Like the food, we find a bucket.
Yeah, we find all things about Indonesia. Not all things, but some things about Indonesia, like we call gorengan. Yeah. And then we got I got
Fried food.
Like
a lot of Indonesia people. Yeah, just talking.
Yes.
What's your name and how old are you?
like
And
and Saudi Airlines, like
where you live?
like the and at Saudi Airlines.
Yeah.
you find
Yeah, in our airlines,
plane
our plan, all
the what the name that I don't know, forgot. So there's person who work at the plane.
yeah,
Yes, Indonesian
all
people.
from Indonesia. Yeah, only the girls, right?
Yes.
The man,
Yes,
The man
from
yes.
Saudi.
Saudi. About Egypt, just better because the cost, and then lot of food of Indonesia, and then
There is
we
mie Aceh Pakadi.
we got a better place than in India.
Yes.
Maybe only that from me because we are still 2 weeks, yeah,
Yes.
around 2 weeks. It's still new. Yeah, maybe only that. Only that.
Okay,
How
so,
about you, Aga?
so what I get in Egypt is good. It's better. It's similar with Indonesia.
Just last we rating lah ya.
Rating. So we rate 3 country that we visit. Of course. What do you think?
The first maybe Egypt so far so good. Maybe maybe 5 star. Maybe, yes. So far so good.
So good.
India maybe
3 star.
1.
Astagfirullah. No.
Hey, bro.
No,
Enter-
India maybe 3 lah ya. Because cheap, but yes, cheap. Arab maybe I want give 3,
5.
but because Arab is
Holy Land.
yes Holy Land, so I give 5.
So.
But so expensive, so costly. Okay, so guys, because I want.
Okay. So,
Side first.
Okay.
Belum side first.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe for the last,
Overlast.
Agak can you tell it after Mesir until we will go
Jeep.
going back to Egypt until we're going to Indonesia. Go back to Indonesia. What will we visited after Egypt until July later?
So we visit Turkey. Turkey. You know Turkey? Arda Güler.
Yeah, ada Guler.
Yes, we visit there. So we visit then Uzbek. Uzbek is what the name? Uzbek. Kushfanor Abgukor in Manchester City.
Who? Oh, MU.
City Abgukor.
City?
Kushnov.
I don't know.
Yes,
I
then,
don't know.
then Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, then China. You know Yoming from.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh,
You know this who?
who?
From China?
Who's?
Who?
No, maybe not tell now.
Yoming. Then Laos, Thailand. Thailand, then Malay. You know whose name?
Thailand, you know there
Wow.
is. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you
for-
guys. Thank you for attention. Because we are open this podcast by saying salam. So in the closing, we would like to say akhirul kalam.
Kabarkah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kabarkah.
Oh, halo Madrid.